Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the level training in eFootball 2024 so you can level up your player with this training program. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the objective or mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap my team and then tap the players, and this is list of your player. Max, I wanna make an example here. For example, like this, I'm tapping the Neymar, and this one, the second option here, level training. Tap it. So in this feature, you can level up your player using this experience point, or this is the training program, and you can preview this like currently level 2 experience point earn 0. Let's get back. So you can do it this way. You can get this program by playing more this game. This is a reward for you if you win the match. So I do have, for example, 622 experience program. Just tap it like this. So if I'm adding 20, for example, let's see the preview. So I got level up until 16th. And the player will receive 28 progression point here. Just tap proceed, and now training complete. So my Neymar currently is level 16. So please train your player, make him or make your player stronger than before, and you can winning the match. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.